So the whole world is celebrating Friendship Day. All of us also want to have a friend, an ideal friend who can help us in every problems we face in life. We want a friend who can always be there to help us out, to have fun, to be there in our lives whenever we need them. We always wanted to have such friend who is ideal, who is lovable, who is likable, who is powerful, who is intelligent, who is helpful, who will be helping all of us. But we fail to get such friend in real life. क्योंकि हर एक फ्रेंड अच्छा ओके अच्छे बच्चे friendship is something which is very deep rooted in all our lives. बचपन से we had friends in our school, in our college. Now also we have friends. Originally we had a friend which you have forgotten. It's all reflection of that friendship with that Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. So all the relationship, whatever we have right now here in this material world, originally we had that relationship with Krishna. So all of us have this fundamental relationship, being servant, being a friend, being a parent, being a lover, or being neutral. It's called Pancharasas. So Krishna and his devotees originally enjoy these 5 rasas. And today being one of the important rasa of Sakya rasa, the fraternal relationship, we're going to discuss. So once we understand the glory of Krishna's friendship, we will forget all other friendship. And once we become friend of Krishna, everything else will automatically get included. So that's the beauty of Krishna's friendship. And if you know how great this friend Krishna is, we should know how, as a friend, he has done for his friend. Then you'll understand why I should have a friend as Krishna, or he himself as friend. And that's why we have termed the youth club as Friends of Lord Krishna. So you all will be given an opportunity or getting an opportunity to hear the glories of that great friend Krishna and how we can also become friend of that Lord Krishna. His friendship is unparalleled. Nobody can match his friendship. Just like nobody can match discipleship of Krishna. Krishna need not learn anything, but he agrees to become a disciple of his guru. And he was the best disciple ever. Nobody can become father of Krishna or mother of Krishna. But Krishna agrees to be the son of Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda. He decides, he chooses his parents. So he was the best son, he was the best disciple, he was the best lover, and he was the best friend. Now how he became such a best friend is discussed in the pages of Srimad Bhagavatam and other Puranas. And it is evidently in the battlefield of Mahabharata. On every day of battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna was badly defeated. He was utterly crushed. But it was timely intervention of his dearmost friend Krishna that he was saved. How many of you know Abhimanyu, son of Arjuna? He was ruthlessly, mercilessly slaughtered by 6 Maharathis. He single-handedly fought all of them. But if you ask me who killed Abhimanyu, what would be the answer? Who killed Abhimanyu? No. Who killed Abhimanyu? Krishna. Who killed Abhimanyu? There's a warrior called Jayadratha. He was responsible for final killing of Abhimanyu. Although everyone was participating in this slaughter, but the person who actually was responsible for taking the life of Abhimanyu was Jayadratha. So seeing his son dead, Arjuna took a vow that before the sun sets next day, I will finish Jayadratha. That's my vow. And if I fail to do so, I will embrace death. I will jump into the fire of pyre along with my son. I'll give up my life. So Kauravas got an idea. We have to just safeguard Jayadratha until next sunset. If I somehow or the other, if I save Jayadratha until sunset, Arjuna will kill himself, he'll commit suicide, and remaining 4 Pandavas can easily finish off. It's Arjuna who's the greatest warrior. If there's something between me and victory, Duryodhana is telling, it is Arjuna. Of course, Bhima is also there, that we'll take care later. But Arjuna is the biggest stumbling block for my victory. So they decided to have a big Chakravyuha. These days Chakravyuhas are talked about, not that type of Chakravyuha, real Chakravyuha. And they kept Jayadratha hidden at the center of Chakravyuha. So meanwhile, they tried their best because Arjuna was still lamenting for losing his son Abhimanyu. So come what may, they were not able to pierce the Chakravyuha. And time was running out short. Just like when you have examination, you have not finished your syllabus and there's deadlines. There are July 31st. Correct? Those who are from accounts background, they know the importance of 31st. And those who have exams, the importance of time. And sun was about to set, hardly 2-3 hours. And still Jayadratha is untouched. Pandavas are not able to figure out where is Jayadratha. And Krishna was simply sitting and smiling. Sometimes Krishna smiles. Of course, always Krishna smiles. But for his devotees, that smile is always attractive. And Prabhupada in one place says, if you can make Krishna smile even once, and you make him the friend, and imagine if Krishna becomes your friend by your service, just imagine what else you want. And Arjuna was in a dilemma, what to do. Suddenly Krishna requests his friend, his follower, his weapon, Sudarshana, to cover the entire sun. They say, no, tere vaasate falak mein chand tod ke leke aaunga. Correct? तैसे ही बोलता है, कोई ला नहीं सकता. But Krishna can do anything and everything for his devotee, provided you become a devotee. And who is a devotee? In simple words, who chants 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is a devotee. And Arjuna was such an exalted devotee, and for which Krishna requested his Sudarshana to cover the sun. And there was a pitch darkness. And suddenly everyone thought that, oh, the battle is over. Arjuna is going to kill himself. And Jayadratha instantly came out of the Chakravyuha and started giving dialogues after dialogues that, Arjuna, bahar nikal. I'll set your fire. I'll put you on fire. You're given a vow, no? You're a Kshatriya, come and follow your principles. And meanwhile, Krishna was still smiling. Arjuna looked at Krishna. Hey, why is he smiling? His dearmost friend is going to die. He's going to embrace fire. And this fellow is smiling. Sometimes friends do that, no? Haste hai, jab we are put into difficulty, correct? But Krishna is not laughing like that. Like your friend who smiles when you are in difficulty. Your so-called friend. So anyways, Arjuna didn't give reply back to Krishna. Every time you're helping me, this time you're not helping me. There's no agenda, there's no plan to escape. He's just smiling. Anyways, as a devoted follower, devoted friend of Krishna, Arjuna accepted the will of the Lord. He didn't protest. He just was going ahead. And suddenly Krishna indicated, Sudarshana, tera time ho gaya, tera service ka time ho gaya, jaake rest le tu. Janmashtami, we need to give rest. No, sometimes your whole day you are working. So you need some rest. So in the same way, Krishna told Sudarshana that tera service ka time ho gaya, jaake rest kar le. And instantly Sudarshana uncovered the sun and was still existing. Jayadratha ki, you can understand. And as usual, what did Krishna say? Jal mar. And he instantly killed him. And Krishna reminded him, this fellow has a special benediction. If anyone kills him, the one who kills him will die. This is benediction which his father gave. So Krishna told him to use Pashupata Astra, the weapon which he got it from Lord Shiva. And he shot him such a way that the head of Jayadratha directly went and fell under the lap of his father. So father also died along with him, who was a criminal. So ek तीर से दो निशान. And who gave this information? To whom? Why? Because he was his best friend. Krishna revealed Bhagavad Gita. Krishna revealed Bhagavad Gita in short format, 45 minutes. When his friend was in a dilemma, he was in difficulty. He was topper in the class. He was the best employee. He was his best CEO, administrator, leader. He had special weapons, Divyastra. He won from different devatas. But when he was facing his own kinsmen, especially Dronacharya, Bhishma, he said, I'll not fight. He was confused, perplexed. He was having tears in his eyes. His hairs were standing on end. His throat was drying. And he was giving reason after reason after reason. मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करूँगा, मैं एग्जाम नहीं लिखूँगा, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं करूँगा, मैं जा रहा हूँ. And there was a friend, Krishna, who in just 45 minutes made him understood what is the subject matter. Sometimes friends do help us, no? Just before exams, half an hour समझा दे तो पूरा समझ में आ जाता है. Correct? And he explains at that point of time better than any professor. Correct? Here Krishna himself, the professors of professors, Guru, Krishna Mande Jagat Guru himself is delivering the message, what to be done, what not to be done. 45 minutes he understood, and Arjuna decided to fight. He decided to do his duty. Maha Manusmara Yuddhacha. Krishna says, think of me and fight. And Krishna just did that. Sorry, Arjuna just did that, thinking of Krishna, and he fought. And he was able to conquer all his enemies. There were Atirathis and Maharathis, and every day he could see that he was defeated very badly. And it was Krishna again helping him, because Arjuna was a friend and a devotee of Krishna. Arjuna was a what does a devotee do? How does a person becomes a devotee? When somebody chants Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he becomes a devotee. When somebody chants 16 rounds of Hare Krishna mantra, he becomes a dearmost devotee. And he becomes a devotee who Krishna cannot forget. What he should do, he should propagate the message of Krishna consciousness. Once someone spreads the message of Bhagavad Gita, propagates Krishna consciousness, brings boys, students to become friends of Lord Krishna, he becomes very dear to Krishna. And Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, such a person is very, very dear to Krishna. There is no person more dear than him. All of us have the opportunity to become devotee of Krishna, to become very dear devotee of Krishna, and a devotee of Krishna who Krishna cannot forget. How is it possible? Chanting 16 rounds and spreading the message of Swami Srila Prabhupada. If you do these two things, then you become devotee of Krishna, and so much so that Krishna will not forget you. And imagine if Krishna doesn't forget you. Just imagine what else you want. Sometimes friends do a lot of things to us. They steal for us, they do mischievous activity for us, they help us in every regard, they do some menial activities also for us. And one of the menial activity which any devotee, any friend can do is, चल गाड़ी लगा. गाड़ी लगा मतलब अपन को चलना है, गाड़ी लगा. फ्रेंड, मैं चलाऊंगा गाड़ी, हाँ तू चलाएगा. And he agrees to become a driver. Just imagine, your friend are equals, both of are equals. But the other friend whom Arjuna is asking, chal gaadi laga, who is he? Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka. Supreme personality of Godhead. Imagine you ordering Narendra Damodar Das Modi, chal gaadi laga. And he agrees to do it. You should have such kind of a friendship, right? Now, Arjuna is such a friend of Krishna, and Krishna is being ordered by Arjuna, चल गाड़ी लगा, हम निकलते हैं. And गाड़ी लगा के कहाँ रुका? जहाँ पे उसकी डिफिकल्टी आती है, जहां पे उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स में फंस जाता है. You took his friend to a place and made the car park in such a place where he forgets everything. He says, I don't want to fight. So that is Krishna. That is again his friend. Again उसको समझाता है कि क्यों fight करना है. Because I have decided that you should fight. He didn't want to personally fight. He said, take my property, kill me unarmed. I have forgotten all the atrocities my cousin brothers have done since childhood. I forgave them. I forget them. I just don't want to fight. Let them kill me unarmed. He was giving reasons after reasons not to fight. And again, the same friend who put him in difficulty by parking the vehicle there is giving knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. And he said what he said in the 11th chapter, all these people who are standing in front of you, Jayadratha, Karna, Drona, Bhishma, Dronacharya, everyone is already killed by me. You just have to fight. Nimitta matra bhava sabhya shachi. Just see what kind of a friend. You just have to fight. You just have to show your activity. But that activity of fighting you should do. Just because you become a devotee of Krishna doesn't mean that Krishna will come and write your examination. Better to PUBG kill me, आपके लिए help करता हूँ. No, you have to do your duty. But how do you do your duty? माँ मनुस्मरा, बोलिए माँ मनुस्मरा, हाथ से बोलिए माँ मनुस्मरा, जोर से बोलिए माँ मनुस्मरा, युद्ध चा, युद्ध मीन स्टडी चा. अनुस्मर कैसे हो सकता है? कृष्ण का अनुस्मर कैसे हो सकता है हर दिन? By chanting 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day. कितना? 16 जोर से. 16 every day. Then you become Anusmara. Then whatever Yuddha cha, study cha, presentation cha, fight cha, it will happen like this. It's not assured that you will be victorious. Now Arjuna and Pandavas were victorious after many years. Otherwise in their life, throughout their life, were they victorious? They were put into so many difficulties. Yudhishthira Maharaj, after the battle got over, he was asking this question to Krishna. Yudhishthira, he was asking, why we are put into so many difficulties? You are our aunt's son, cousin brother. When we are born, our father expired. He passed away. We were orphaned. We were given poison cake. Our house was set on fire. We had enmity with our cousins, brothers. We lost the match. We were cheated. Our wife was insulted. 13 years of exile. Such a fratricidal war. All my sons were killed. You know what Krishna says? You know what Krishna says to Yudhishthira? He says, this is my special favor. So becoming a devotee of Krishna is not easy. And these Pandavas, they didn't even complain. Krishna, you are my cousin's brother. How come this can happen to us? They never complained. If it is happening to us in presence of Krishna, it's Krishna's plan. Let me go through it. That is a friend. So they'll not be bargaining with Krishna or not dealing with mercantile deal. पास करा दे, जॉब दिला दे, एक बार दिला दे. So they are not mercantile devotees. Whether you embrace me, kick me, whether you pass me, fail me, doesn't matter. I will chant 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And that's a devotee. Come what may. So see what kind of a devotees Pandavas are there. And Narada Muni was surprised hearing this conversation. Narada Muni commented. He had a good access to Krishna. He's a great devotee like Pandavas. He said the same thing. The Pandavas have gone through so many difficulties, but still their love for you have not diminished. Their love for you has only increased day after day. What kind of hypnotism do you do? What kind of brainwashing do you do? That they are not rebelled against you. Their love for you has not even come little down. Just see. And हमारा एक बार मैं 2 साल से 16 माला कर रहा था, फिर भी मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. एक इवेंट भी मिस नहीं किया. एक ट्रिप भी मिस नहीं किया मैंने, प्रभु जो बोले वो किया मैंने, लेकिन मेरे साथ so we are all, not so good, that class of devotees. So you should aspire to become devotees like Pandavas. So he guided in the form of Bhagavad Gita. He became a chariot driver. Have you seen postman in your life? Postman. In village, especially postman, he has to walk all the way and give messages. It's such a heinous job. It's a menial job. And sometimes your friend tells, जाके बता क्या उसको, ये दे क्या उसको, correct, no? It's not so, prestigious job or prestigious service to your friend, correct, no? But the friend still does for his friend. But here, what was the message which Yudhishthira asked Krishna to go and give? That was peace proposal. Because devotees, they don't want this fratricidal war to happen. If some compromise can be done, at least 5 villages, if the war can be avoided, let it be. The whole world I lost. Give me 5 villages, Kshatriyas. Krishna went to Duryodhana as a messenger, as a doot. बोल रहे हैं 5 villages दे दो. Oh, you know what Duryodhana said? नहीं देगा अपन. Though so much so that Duryodhana was so arrogant, then he decided to capture Krishna. He orders his soldiers, capture this Krishna. Anyone can capture Krishna? He showed the universal form of the Lord. Similarly, every now and then you have an option to accept Krishna's version, like Arjuna. Come what may, no return on investment, no profit, no adoration, no respect, no labh at all. On the contrary, Krishna gave an offer to Duryodhana. Duryodhana didn't accept this offer. And what happened to Duryodhana and co? Entire dynasty. 100 ke 100. And whoever helped him also, they also got finished. समझ रहे हो? Similarly, every day, now Duryodhana and Arjuna is there in your heart now. Both, sometimes Duryodhana gets activated, sometimes Arjuna gets activated. Devotees calls you, Arjuna gets activated you. You don't call devotees, you don't associate with devotees, you don't read Prabhupada books, you don't chant Hare Krishna. By default, your Duryodhana is always active. What does he do? He wants to see women naked. That is Duryodhana. He wants to usurp others' properties. That is Duryodhana. He wants to cheat people. That is Duryodhana. Now, if these qualities are there, what is happening? You are bereft of Krishna's association. You are bereft of Krishna's devotees association. By default, you have become Duryodhana. Now, if you have to remove the qualities of Duryodhana and become Arjuna, full-fledged, saint person, what you should do? जोर से. Every day. जोर से बोलिए. नहीं तो दुर्योधन आपको लेके जाएगा, आपकी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देगा, आपकी जिंदगी को fill in the blanks. Choice is yours. This is the cost of not having friend of Krishna. This is the cost of not being friendship with Krishna. And the friendship is easily available. You just have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and associate with devotees. The qualities of a devotee of Krishna, being a friend of Krishna, automatically develops. And you will also start working for Krishna. Just like Arjuna worked. Arjuna didn't want to fight. Arjuna did his own kinsmen. It was painful to shoot arrows at Dronacharya, Bhishma and other brothers. But because Krishna wanted it to happen, it's your desire, let me do it. Sometimes, we are not allowed to come to Vrindavan. We don't get permission from home. We don't get permission from our offices. Correct? Then what should we do? What should we do? Just do it. Just like Arjuna did. He was feeling pain. How can I do this? Here we are not asking to kill your relatives, kill your kinsmen. We are asking advance in Krishna consciousness. Chant 16 rounds. Come to Vrindavan Dham. On next day of Janmashtami, take Ashraya of Srila Prabhupada on his Vyas Puja. Coming here to Ahmedabad and doing it. So these are the small things which you can do it for Krishna. We are not able to do bigger things like Arjuna did for Krishna. Small things. 2 hours of chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, coming to Vrindavan Dham, seeing the place where Krishna has performed all his leelas. You go to, this is the place my friend lifted Govardhana. This is the place where he performed Rasa Leela. This is the place where he stayed. This is the place where he played with his friends. This is the same Yamuna where he swam across. This is the same Kalia Ghat where he danced. When you go there, you will see those places. This is my friend's place. It is personal abode. He left this planet. He went back to his original abode. But still he has left his dham for us to go and visit. Because we are less intelligent, dull-headed. Scriptures में बोलेंगे तो विश्वास नहीं करेंगे तो भगवान ने छोड़ के जाऊंगा मेरा धाम को. जब आएंगे ना 2024 अक्टूबर में 16 to 21 तब देखना. लेकिन हम रजिस्टर ही नहीं करते. अर्ली बर्ड ऑफर देते हैं, स्पेशल ऑफर देते हैं. नहीं, हमको नहीं करना है. बिकॉज दुर्योधन इज टेलिंग डोंट डू इट, डोंट डू इट. शकुनी इज टेलिंग डोंट डू इट. कर्ण इज टेलिंग डोंट डू इट. सो एज लॉन्ग एज यू विल बी फ्रेंड ऑफ शकुनी एंड कर्ण, यू गोइंग टू बी दुर्योधन, यू विल बी ruined. कृष्णा वांट्स दैट इन द भगवत गीता. कहां पे? मत चित्त सर्व दुर्गानि मत प्रसादात् तरिष्यसि. इफ यू बिकम कॉन्शियस ऑफ मी, बोलिए, यू विल क्रॉस ओवर. हाथ से. All obstacles of conditioned life by my grace. कृष्णा बोल रहे हैं अर्जुन को. ठीक है. Now if you don't do so, however, if you do not do so, not listening to me, bracket में कृष्णा, not listening to Krishna, act through false ego, you will be lost. दोनों हाथ से. You want to be lost? Hence surrender to Krishna. Become friend of Krishna. कृष्णा प्यार से समझाते हैं, वार्निंग दे के समझाते हैं, and directly बोलते surrender to me. But Krishna's another incarnation called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is extremely merciful. He just said, simply chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Doesn't matter what hairstyle you have. Doesn't matter what clothes you wear. Doesn't matter where you work. You just chant 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Be part of Friends of Lord Krishna. Your life is successful. But there are relatives who keeps on telling, Majja, Majja, Majja. Who tells not to go to Krishna? Tell me. उन नाम बताओ उनका. नाम यार मतलब दुर्योधना, कर्णा, शकुनी. They are the people who are telling, don't listen to Krishna. Dhritarashtra, don't listen to Krishna. So anyone in your life who is telling, don't go to temple, don't stay in folk residency, don't chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, don't go to Vrindavan Dham, समझ रहे हो कौन है वो? वो आपके अंदर है, बाहर नहीं है. वो बोल रहा है मत. So you decide, your decision will be based on whom you listen to. बोलिए. Your decision will be based on whom you. So now whom you want to listen to? Duryodhana or Shakuni or Karna or Arjuna or devotees. अगर if you listen to Prabhupada, if you listen to devotees, then आपका बेड़ा पार है, नहीं तो बेड़ा गर्ग है. सही बोला? So another instance of Krishna's love for Arjuna is unparalleled. दिन में तो he was constantly present in front of him, guiding him कैसे मारना है, कब मारना है, किसको मारना है, किस हालत में मारना है, constantly guiding. Correct? We can also get the constant guidance from Krishna. We can also get constant guidance from Krishna. Prabhupada says, if anyone chants 16 rounds every day, you will get constant guidance from Krishna within the heart. Just like Arjuna got. And externally, from the spiritual master, from Bhagavad Gita, we get direct guidance from Krishna. But हम क्या करते हैं? Bhagavad Gita पढ़ते नहीं हैं, chanting करते नहीं हैं, class आते नहीं हैं. This is our misfortune. Daytime, Krishna was there with Arjuna like a constant friend. Night क्या कर रहे थे? He was a watchman. For his friend, he became a watchman with his sword in his hand. He was constantly doing sentry work of guarding the camp of Pandavas, so that in the night someone may come and disturb. He was very, very cautious. His heart went for Pandavas. Just like Pandavas never said any complaint about Krishna that यार क्या है तुम्हारे में दोस्तों में फिर भी हमको ये सब होने पड़ रहा. He understands, he reciprocates. He became a watchman. यार can you imagine? Can you ask your friend to become watchman of your house? कोई है ऐसा दोस्त तुम्हारे घर का वॉचमैन बनेगा, तुम्हारा ऑफिस का वॉचमैन बनेगा? तो Krishna did for his devotees. He now is also is doing for his devotees. And imagine you have such a friend offered for you. Instead of having Krishna as your friend, you are accepting someone else as your friend. So what will be your destination? Just imagine what will be your destination. सोचो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Sorry. And कभी कभी दोस्त मारते हैं, है ना, झगड़ा होती है उनके साथ, एंड मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होती है. होता है ना? यस नो? होता है यस नो? पीछे वालों को आवाज आ रही है? झगड़ा होता है दोस्तों के बीच में. सो कृष्ण और अर्जुन के बीच में एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ, थोड़ा झगड़ा भी हुआ था. एक बार क्या हुआ, द्वारका में जब वो भगवान के साथ द्वारका में थे अर्जुन, तो he saw one brahmana coming to a palace there and ranting, crying, abusing, cursing the Yadus, saying that how can in the presence of a father a son can die, because every child who is born he dies immediately, his son. So he was thinking, if a son dies before the father, that means king is responsible for it. And the king Ugrasena is responsible for it. And Balram is there, Krishna is there, they consider the personality of God, protectors of Brahmana. And how come a Brahmana's son is dying in front of his own eyes? That means they're not ruling properly. So meanwhile, Arjuna was also there, hearing this. He overheard, hey, you're not helping them? Don't worry. He was a little proud. I'm the hero of the battlefield of Kurukshetra. I did everything. He was a little proud. So don't worry, forget about them. I'll help you. Let me know when the next birth is. So time came and his wife was carrying, and he requested Arjuna, now delivery's time is about to happen, please come and protect my son. So as agreed, so Arjuna was guarding the whole house. He had made the kavacha of arrows that even Yamaraj cannot come. What to speak of anyone else? So like that, he had personally was guarding. As usual, child was born, it started crying and it died. And again, as usual, if I fail to protect you, Brahmana, I'll finish myself. And Krishna was like, मुझसे पूछा था तूने? मुझसे पूछ के गए थे? But फिर भी. And he tried his best to get the child back. He went to Yamaloka. He went to all the lokas in the 14 planetary system. Nowhere he could find the child. And he has decided, abhi maine to word de diya, I'm a Kshatriya, I have given a word to a Brahmana. I couldn't save. Now again friend is going to lose. And he set up the pyre, he's going to die. He's going to commit suicide. Will Krishna allow? Abhi chal बैठ ना. किसने किसको कहा? What did he do? अर्जुन क्या किया उसके बाद? बैठा कि नहीं बैठा? In the same way, Krishna is asking, Manmana Bhava, Madbhakto, Madhyaji, Mam Namaskuru. लेकिन हम कर नहीं रहे हैं. Think of me, worship me, become my devotee, offer your respects unto me. If you do these 4 things, you will come back to me. I'll take you personally. And Vishwas nahi unke upar, because sometimes he breaks the promises also. Correct? But Prabhupada bolte, anyone who chants dash number of rounds, I'll assure them, I'll take them back home, back to Godhead. Whether even whether Krishna allows him or not, I'll take him back home, back to Godhead. सीधे रास्ते से एंटर नहीं होगा, मैं पीछे से लेके आऊंगा. मेरे पास पीछे डोर का की है. You just hold my dhoti, be part of Friends of Lord Krishna. I'll save you and shave you. Don't worry about it. किसने कहा? Srila Prabhupada ने कहा. And we have to take shelter of that Srila Prabhupada. You have to take shelter of that pure devotee. And Ashraya ceremony is such ceremony where on 27th of August we have that celebration of Vyasa Puja, where all of you who are chanting 4 rounds, 8 rounds, 12 rounds, 16 rounds, they can commit that I will be doing this, I'll be reading such books, I'll be doing some services. It's not that commitment, mein de raha hu. No, you are requesting the pure devotee to help you advance in Krishna consciousness. Tali, do हाथ से बजती है. This is one हाथ, and when you offer it to the spiritual master, he gives you another हाथ, and you progress in Krishna consciousness. Without Guru, we cannot progress. Krishna himself accepted Guru. He doesn't require any Guru, but still to set a standard, even I had accepted Guru, and why not you should accept? And that Guru, his Swami Prabhupada, who's coming from a bona fide parampara, accept his shelter, surrender unto him, and he will take you back home, back to Godhead. And to fulfill the promise of Krishna, pure devotee, Krishna can go to any extent. He may break his own promise. Just like on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Duryodhana again went to Bhishma. And Bhishma was pinpricked by Duryodhana's harsh words. दादाजी ये कुछ पार्शलिटी चल रहा है आपका. आप हमारे साथ हो कि उनके साथ हो. आप जोश से लड़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो. Then to encourage his so-called depressed, disappointed Duryodhana, he said, okay, no problem. If you are accusing me as being partial on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, don't feel like that. Take these 5 arrows. Next day, these 5 arrows will kill 5 Pandavas, or Keshava will break this promise. What was Keshava's promise? He will not fight. He will not lift any weapon. That was Keshava's promise. Bhishma is telling, either I'll kill 5 Pandavas with his 5 arrows. If not, Keshava will break his promise. Next day, there was a severe battle. Krishna was there, Arjuna was there, and Bhishma was about to shoot arrows, and he wanted the arrows, but he had given the arrows to Duryodhana. Duryodhana said, आप मेरे पास दे दीजिए, मैं कल सुबह एग्जाम से पहले आपको दे दूंगा. चिट, हमारा दोस्त देते हैं ना चिट. So दुर्योधन को पूछ रहे हैं, ओ क्या हो गया, मैं अर्जुन को दे दिया. अर्जुन को क्यों दिया बे? उसको कैसे पता चला ये सब? Then he understood that it is a plan of the Lord. He has done something. He becomes even more furious, and he decided to fight valiantly. So before that, what happened? Krishna is there in the heart of every person. आपके heart में भी है. Look at your heart. He is there. I'm seriously telling you. Touch your heart. He is there as Paramatma. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hrideshu arjuna tishtati. We don't believe in the words of Krishna. Sarvasya chaha mriti sannivishtaha. He is there. Dearmost friend is there. Friend को सब कुछ पता है. As प्रभु जी बता रहे थे ना, parents को सब कुछ पता होता है, लेकिन friends को ज़्यादा पता होता है. Correct, no? Correct, right? But ये friend को सब कुछ पता है. जो तुमने कांड किया, नहीं किया, क्या देखा, पूरा क्रोम हिस्ट्री उनको पता है. Not only of this life, of all the previous lives. And आगे तुम क्या करने वाले वो भी पता है. And he's your dearmost friend. He wants your highest welfare. Real friend. Best friend. And आप उसकी बात मान ही नहीं रहे हो. उसके तरफ देख ही नहीं रहे हो. वो बोल रहा है पलट, पलट, पलट. आप लौट चलते हैं, आप लौट चलते हैं. नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे यही रहना है. क्या कर सकते हैं? So that same Paramatma in the heart, who is Krishna himself, reminded his friend Arjuna, Arjuna, याद करो, Maddaha smritir jnanam apohonam cha. From me comes intelligence, memory and forgetfulness. अर्जुन को याद दिलाया. याद दिला, क्या दिला? दुर्योधन ने तुमको एक वरदान दिया था, लेकिन तुमने मांगा नहीं था। अभी राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, रात को जाओ, अभी तुरंत जाओ, उनके पास 5 एरोस दिया है भीष्म जी ने, उसको लेके आ जाना। तेरे को कैसे पता चला यार? Imagine you have such a friend. Tomorrow you have an examination and your friend gives you a question paper with the answers. Just, he's such a kind of a friend. If you are a friend, Krishna can do that for you. Of course, you should study also. Don't expect such kind of thing. I'm just giving you a parallel example for you. How Arjuna was benefited like that. And Arjuna goes to Duryodhana. Of course, even Duryodhana was friendly. In night, they were sporty spirit was there. What's up bro, क्या है? Property चाहिए? ले लो तुमको, मुझे भी कुछ नहीं चाहिए। बाइबल बंद कर रहे नहीं, मुझे वो सब नहीं चाहिए। पहले बोला था, बाद में कृष्ण ने मुझे ब्रेन वॉश कर दिया। Correct, no? Initially we had lot of things, but when you come to Krishna consciousness, Krishna brainwashes us. Correct? Happened? Yes, no? So क्या चाहिए? No, I remember I had given you वरदान। तब तूने पूछा नहीं, अभी पूछना चाहते हो? अच्छा पूछ लो, ठीक है, क्या पूछना चाहते हो? लड़ाई बंद कर देनी? नहीं, वो सब नहीं चाहिए। वो जो भीष्म पितामह ने वो 5 एरो दिया था, वो वापस दे दो यार। तेरे को कौन बताता है ये सब? इंफॉर्मेशन कौन देता है ये सब? उस रूम में सिर्फ मैं और भीष्म थे, इसके अलावा किसी को नहीं जान, किसी को पता नहीं है। मुझे तो कृष्ण ने बोला। Imagine you have a friend like that, what enemies can do. If you have a friend like that, what enemies can do, what your uncontrolled mind can do. But we don't want to have such a friend. Such a misfortune it is. Such a misfortune it is. I know he's a friend, he's doing best for me. I don't want to be his friend. I have still faith in my so-called friend, female friend. बाबू खाना खाया, पता नहीं कितने लोगों को मैसेज करेगी, and you're still thinking she's loving you. That's called a misfortune. I'm not against all these things, I'm just telling you. And you have Krishna here telling, I'll help you for everything, come and become my devotee. And next day when Bhishma asked for the 5 arrows, वो उसके पास है, अर्जुन के पास है, उससे लड़ना, उसको दे देते रहे। वो बोलते ना, अचानक से ना वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिया, हालात बदल दिया। करेक्ट, नो? कृष्णा कैन डू इट फॉर यू। कृष्णा कैन चेंज योर हालत, कृष्णा कैन चेंज योर जज्बात, कृष्णा कैन चेंज योर डेस्टिनी, प्रोवाइडेड यू चैंट every day. जोर से, provided and there is a battle. Now Bhishma becomes even more furious. ऐसा है क्या? अच्छा, देख लेते हैं. Then he started fighting in such a way that never in the history you would have seen Bhishma fighting like that, so valiantly. So much so that it is forbidden to hit the charioteer driver. And Bhishma was hitting Krishna. And for Krishna it was like flowers showering. Because Krishna also want to enjoy the fighting spirit. Because kids fight यार, infants fight. Correct? No, देखा है ना बच्चे लड़ते हुए, उनको कहाँ से आ गया ये सब? Because बाप के पास था ना वो tendency. भगवान के पास वो tendency है fighting का. So, but he wants to fight. Who will he fight? He will appoint his devotee. Bhishma he's a devotee, but he's opposite side. And Krishna is enjoying it. And Bhishma is also enjoying it. That's a chivalrous rasa. I talked about 5 rasas, basic rasas. There's 7 sub-rasas. And one such rasa is fighting with his devotees. To fight his devotees, Jai and Vijay, chalo, तुमको कर्ज कर देंगे, तुम चले जाना. हम आके हिरण्यकशिपु बन जाना, हिरण्याक्ष बन जाना, लड़ेंगे हम. So that is Krishna for his devotees. Now Arjuna is getting hit, red, left, right, center. He's oozing with blood. His chariot is almost gone. Now when he saw that there's no stopping Bhishma, Bhishma was a lion. And he decided to break his own promise. He's called Satya Sankalpaha, Satyavacha. Who? Krishna. He's a Kshatriya. To not to keep his promise is worse than suicide. But for his devotee, although being a Kshatriya, Krishna broke his promise for his devotee and took the chariot wheel and went aggressively chasing Bhishma. And Bhishma, aane do, aao bhai maro mere ko. And Arjuna is holding the lotus feet of Krishna and saying, don't do this, don't do this. Because he wants to protect his Lord. He should not lift the weapon. You have given a promise. I'll do it myself. Don't worry. I'll deal with Bhishma. But you don't break the promise. Devotee's heart is like that. And Krishna's heart, devotees is put in trouble. How dare he can touch my devotee like this? And you have such a wonderful Lord, friend in our lives. We have to just have that relationship with him, and then our life will be really successful. Otherwise, we'll missing our opportunities. Again, coming back to that story, Brahmana's sons gone. And Krishna said, "Chal back," and he takes him. He pierces the entire universe. 14 planets already चले गए थे ढूंढने. अर्जुन कहीं पे नहीं मिला. He crosses the universe, goes to Karanodakashayi Vishnu. Karanodakashayi Vishnu wanted to have darshan of Naranarayan, who's Krishna and Partha. That's why he had personally stolen the atmas of these children. And he had darshan. And he gave the sons back. And he brought him back. Levi. Promise किया कृष्णा के डिवोटी ने, फुलफिल किया कृष्णा ने. संदीपानी मुनि, उनके 6 पुत्र, वो भी चले गए थे. Krishna, when he was giving send off, he has to give some Guru Dakshina, no? So Guru asked, I lost my 6 sons, can you get him back? Krishna went to Yamaloka and got all 6 sons back. See, what a powerful friend we have. We don't know how powerful Krishna is. People say, I'm God, you are God, everybody is God. Nonsense, rascaldom. If somebody says, I'm God, Prabhupada says, tell him, kick him on his face and tell you are not God, but you are DOG. हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं, थोड़ा वेटेज रहेगा. And that Supreme Lord is available for all of us in the holy name. Krishna name and Krishna himself are non-different. And just by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, I have a direct access to Krishna. Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita says, Samaham Samabhuteshu. I'm equal to everyone. But somebody who renders little devotional service, he becomes my devotee. I'm partial towards my devotees. Like Putana, for example, he came to kill Krishna. But what did she attain? She became one of the mothers, one of the nurses in the spiritual world. That's why Krishna's kissing, Krishna's killing is one and the same. Samajh mein aa raha hai? And that Krishna is available for all of us through a bona fide spiritual master. And Janmashtami is his appearance day. That is his celebration day. My friend's birthday it is. And he's giving party to everyone. He's inviting everyone. And aap sab kha ke uske close, intimate circles ke friends ho. So what you will do? We will not only celebrate his birthday, we will also arrange for his birthday party. Yes or no? So you... So for that, we require at least 200 intelligent, talented, hardworking, restless folk boys, folk students who can express to his friend, this is my friendship. Dikhana padega, I'm friend to. Krishna has already proven. The fact that you're sitting here is the evidence that Krishna has invited you to his palace, to his abode. Now it's our turn to give it back to Krishna. By chanting, by rendering devotional service on, and taking shelter of Srila Prabhupada on, and coming to Vrindavan during October 16 to 21. Simple things like that throughout your life. If you go on doing like this, Krishna is already there as your friend. If you're doing that, Krishna is indicating that. But if you don't listen to him, If you don't follow his instructions, act through your false ego, what will happen to you? You will be lost. Krishna warns us. So both things are there. Krishna as a friend is warning also. Krishna as a friend is guiding you also. Krishna as a friend is helping you also.